a surprise credit line that you need right now. Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important and literally shocking video, we are going to show you how you can get this $4,500 worth of credit line without affecting your credit score, and you can get it even if you have fair to bad credit score. You heard it absolutely right, because we are going to show you the step-by-step guide how you can fill out the application to get this credit line and get approved for it. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! So here is the opportunity that you all have been waiting for, and this time is from NetCredit. Get a credit line of up to $4,500, and it's very easy, very simple, because I've personally tried it. So yes, you heard it absolutely right. Don't let surprise expenses throw off your groove, because this time the NetCredit is giving credit to the people. Well, remember that we are going to take you on a journey of a step-by-step guide, means how you can fill out this application to get approved for this NetCredit credit line. But first, we are going to show you what it offers. Remember that it's very easy to get money with your personal line of credit. This is not a business line of credit. You don't need a business to do that. It's totally connected to your personal life, because this is a personal line of credit, a term that you hear very rarely. So the first thing what you need to do, simply apply. And yes, there's a secure application. It just takes minutes, and we are going to show you the step-by-step guide how you can fill out this application to improve your odds of approval. So stay with us till the end of this video to get approved for a credit line of up to $4,500. And then you can get funds. You can take your cash advance from your available credit. Whenever you need funds, you'll get your money next business day or sooner after a 10% cash advance fee is deducted. Yes, you need to keep this in mind. This is a credit line, right? So when you cash advance, you take out the money, they charge 10%. For example, if you take out $100, they'll give you $90. If you get $1,000, then they give you $900. If you get $10,000, well, which technically you cannot, because the credit line is $4,500. So remember that there is a 10% cash advance fee that needs to be deducted. Then you need to repay. So how you can repay? You have to pay full balance? No, you will have a minimum payment each billing cycle, which includes a portion of your cash advance balance plus a statement balance fee. Your payment history is reported to major credit bureaus, means you can build credit at the same time. A very good opportunity. And yes, we all love the credit products that actually report these things and the payments to the credit bureaus. Well, we don't want them to report any negative thing. And yes, we do have a product in the future that we are going to make a video about it, which actually never reports any negative thing to the credit bureaus. It only reports good things. And yes, we do have that product as well. So if you would like to watch that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and smash the like button, as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. Remember, your payment history is reported to the major credit bureaus as mentioned earlier, meaning you can build credit history with on-time minimum repayments, or you can pay it in full. There is no penalty for it. So make sure you remember this. So what can your personal credit give you? For example, there's a chart. You currently have $4,500 in available credit. So you want to use $4,500? No, I just need to make a $1,000 purchase. So you can take $1,000 by using this bar on the app. It's very simple, very easy, very user friendly, and I personally use it. Yes, flexibility. With a line of credit, you can get the money you need up to your credit limit, repaying only based on what you have borrowed. A great thing to look into. Rewards. Qualifying account activity can unlock rewards that make your line of credit more flexible to pay back and more affordable to get money when you need it. For more information on skip a pay. You can skip a pay as well? Well, I never knew that. Now I know. And fee saver rewards. Visit the line of credit rewards page. So let's click on it and see what they offer. Well, fee saver, well, when you make qualifying strings of payments, fee saver can reduce statement balance fee you must pay each billing cycle. Over time, you may be able to reduce your statement balance fee up to 60%. It's okay. Skip a pay, what is it? Well, when you make qualifying strings of payments, skip a pay lets you skip a minimum payment for a billing cycle. That's actually a good one. And you can call to redeem. Well, let's get back to the application and see how you can fill out the application to get approved for this net credit. Credit to the people means line of credit up to $4,500. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's click. As soon as you click on it, the first question they're gonna ask you, first, tell us a bit what you need. Well, let's say I need $2,000. Well, they're actually saying that you can actually borrow up to $10,000. And I believe the credit from $4,500 doesn't make any sense, but let's do it. So I'm not gonna tell them why I need the money, right? So I'm just gonna click on other. Zip code. Well, I can put any zip code right here. 78520. Date of birth 11/55. Oh no, no one's actually at 55. 16 and 1985. Let's do it. Do I rent? Do I own? Well, technically I own, but let's click I own, right? And then you need to street address. So I'm just gonna put any right here. 8520 Instagram Road. And whatever, continue, right? And then you need to put your first name, your last name, your suffix, your phone number, your secondary phone number, email, and create a password and continue. When you click on continue, it will take you on a page which will ask you about your employment or anything. If you don't have an employment, don't worry about it. They will do a soft inquiry. Let me just remind you. So whatever information you put right here, your address, your first name, your phone number, your secondary email, your whatever, make sure it matches the information that you have on your credit profile, because they are going to do a soft check, means a soft credit pull, which will not affect your credit score, but they need to verify the information on a credit profile. So make sure that you only put the information that matches the information that you have on your credit profile. If you have any questions about it, let us know in the comments below. We're also going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and this application will open and you can apply it right away. Well, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch our videos when we upload it. And please don't forget to smash the like button, as it really helps this video reach to the wider audience. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.